It's like a rubberized solution. There's lots of different makes on the market. Get them on the internet, your art supply. They come with different sized nozzles as well, so you can get really fine or quite thick. And what you do is you just gradually make you the shape that you want. Squirted a bit too much out there. And you can do all sorts of things with it. Okay. Then what you do is, when it's dry, and really, really dry, because you don't want to get this stuff on your brushes or you'll be forever trying to clean it off. So don't use a brush, okay? This is why it's best to get it with an applicator nozzle, if you can. It does come in jars, but then you need something like a cocktail stick or a stylus to put it onto the paper. So you let that dry off completely, and then when it's dry, you paint over with whatever you want to do. So you literally, now you don't have to worry about this like with masking tape, because this won't, it won't seep under. It's sealed onto the paper. Okay. So you paint over it, and then when it's completely dry, and I mean completely dry, you gradually work at it with your finger and gently pull it up. And you can see how, look, it's the tiniest little bits. It will completely resist your paint going there. You can also, if you want to, if you're that sort of person, collect all these little bits and you make like a little ball, a little rubber then, and you use that in turn to rub off your masking tape. So you can do all sorts of things with that. The fine nozzle, you can really make some fine lines. Maybe you want to have a highlight, a very sharp highlight on something. And the only way is to just let the white of the paper go through. So masking fluid, another way of keeping the paint off your paper.